What is going on, guys? Sir Lewis here, the YouTuber to invest to rest, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys here how to make money trading on Kucoin with this very simple strategy that involves new altcoin and project listings on Kucoin. And I'm going to show you guys here how to do this simple strategy using the app on Kucoin. Now again, I'm not a financial advisor. Please do your own research before investing in anything. Please research and make your own decision. This is only for educational purposes only. So let's get started here. If you still don't have a Kucoin account, you guys can use my referral code in the description below and you'll get like a promotion or something. That's if you don't have a Kucoin account. Now, like I said, guys, you can make money with new altcoin listings. If you don't know where to go to see new altcoins that are going to be listed on Kucoin ahead of time, I made a video on how to do it. It's very simple. I'll leave it right here in the cards, but I'll just show you guys here where it is. It's basically right here, new listings, as you guys can see right there. Click on new listings, and Kucoin always has it here first, guys. They always put it here before they list these altcoins right here. See, these are the 3 new listings that are gonna be basically tomorrow. And if you do come here one day and there's 0 of these, right, there's like no coins here being listed, that means there's no coins being listed around that time. And again, the whole point of this video is to make money with these new altcoin listings. So I just want to show you guys here to back it up, because I want you guys to understand that there's a lot of money to be made with these new altcoins that are being put up on Kucoin and even Gate.io and other exchanges out there. So this right here is new altcoins. But you see this limit right here, change since listing. Okay, this is the change. This is the percentage that it changed ever since it got listed on Kucoin Live. So for example, the latest one was right here, CERE, Serum Network, change since listing, 331%. That is crazy. Right here, ISP, change since listing on Kucoin, 265%, data 39%. Now of course this is changing, so a lot of these are still up actually. This one, Dreams got 4,139% ever since it was listed on Kucoin. I mean, this is like life changing money, guys. Like, I'm not even playing with you guys. Now please do your own research before investing in any of these. This is just my opinion, and you know, this is only for educational purpose. So let's look here at the new projects right here. So I'm gonna show you guys here at what time they get listed at. It tells you right here on Kucoin. So for example, this one right here, Project Seed, trading at 11 on November 9th UTC time. Now that's important, UTC time. You gotta find out what your time is wherever you live and find out that time compared to the UTC time. So for example, for me, this UTC time, I think it's around 3 o'clock in the morning, which is crazy because I gotta wake up at 3 o'clock in the morning. But for you, it might be different compared to where you live. So another thing too about this strategy, guys, is the fact that a lot of these coins that do get listed on Kucoin already exist. For example, this one right here, ERN. This one you can actually buy on, I think, Binance or some other exchanges. One strategy that works with this is you buy it before it gets listed on Kucoin, right? And I actually did that with one of the coins. But what's awesome is that Kucoin sometimes lists new projects and altcoins that have never been listed on any exchange, including PancakeSwap and Uniswap. And this is one of them right here, Project Seed. SHILL. So right here, you click on it and it tells you about it. It tells you exact time that it's going to be being able to trade at. And if you search this up on CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap, it'll show you that it's not listed on any exchange, including PancakeSwap. Okay, so Kucoin is going to be the first one that this gets listed at. So just imagine the gains that you can make from this. You know what I'm saying, guys? Now, obviously, right here, what's awesome too is that they have their website, they have their white paper, so you can do your own research. So you click right here, I want to go to the website. Kucoin's going to say that. Click continue, and then you'll be taken to the website. And a lot of these projects, you know, are actually pretty decent, and you know, they can become something huge one day. So do your own research. So this one's pretty cool. It's a play to earn game. I guess you guys can see right here, you can learn more about it. But what's special about this one is that it's going to be listed first on Kucoin. The only way they can buy this from the start is on Kucoin, which is awesome. So you can go right here to the menu. You could research even more, especially the white paper and all that stuff. But it looks like a really decent project here, especially because it's a play to earn game, and play to earn games are the future in the crypto world. Crypto is going to change the gaming industry to play to earn, because you're going to be playing games and earning money at the same time. So just by looking at this looks like a very good project here, and just the fact that it's going to be listed first on Kucoin. So what you want to do is you want to look at the time that it's going to be listed at, and you want to get on Kucoin at that time, and that's when you want to invest in that coin, right when it gets listed, because there's going to be thousands of other people that are going to be doing the same thing that you guys are doing. Now again, this is not financial advice. This is only a strategy that obviously works in a bullish season like we are now. So also what's part of the strategy is the fact that you obviously don't want to hold a coin. You obviously don't want to hold a coin long, right? Unless you believe in the project, then you could hold it long. But if you don't, if you just want to make some quick games, usually you want to hold it for a couple hours or a day or two, because a lot of these that go straight up usually come down and normalize at a certain area. As you guys can see right here, CERE is one of the ones that got listed on Kucoin today. As you guys can see right here, it's up 317%. And look, exactly what I told you guys. It was listed for 3 cents. Okay, and then went all the way to 67 cents. You see that huge wick? But then it came down crazy. So you guys want to be smart with this and sell at the right time. It's coming down. It's sort of normalizing around the 14 cents area. So that's how you make money trading on Kucoin with new altcoin listings, guys. Obviously, do your own research. I'm not a financial advisor. Join my Patreon. Join my free Facebook group, Reddit, all that stuff. And thank you guys so much for watching. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.